friends, myself Harshika. Welcome to my channel. So this is my new video on the twin flame reverse monad energy field. So if you are in a twin flame journey, this video is a very important for you, because the reverse monad means a reverse manifestation. So understand the monad energy. If you don't know about the monad self, you can watch my video on a monad self anatomy. This video, it's all about the reverse monad energy field. So we have a light body, and the light body is known as a monad self. The monad self is our 7th, 8th and 9th body. This is our light body, and the monad self is covered by a Merkabah field. We have a Merkabah field, and this Merkabah field is always spinning. The upper Merkabah field is a electric masculine energy which is splitted in a 1/3 clockwise direction, and the lower Merkabah field is a 2/3 spinning in a counterclockwise direction. The lower Merkabah field is a magnetic energy. It's a feminine energy, feminine magnetic energy, and the upper Merkabah field is a masculine energy. It's a electrical. So the light body, especially the monad self, is covered with this Merkabah field, and this Merkabah field is always spinning. But when we are incarnated in a physical body, in a human self, this Merkabah field polarity is reverse. The reason of the reverse polarity is a soul fragmentation. The soul is fragmented into the soul self and the spirit self. There is a fragmentation in a soul anatomy, just like a 2D split, 3D split and the 4D split. The next reason of this split is a split in our inner masculine and feminine energy, our Ingla and Pingla Nadi. There is a split inside in our energy field. There is a split in our left and right hemisphere of our brain. There is a split in our Ingla Pingla Nadi because of the destruction of the Nadi Tantra. That is the reason of the split. So there is a split in our mind. Our mind is divided into a subconscious, unconscious and a conscious mind. There is a split in our inner masculine and feminine energy, split in our soul self and a higher self, as I already told, soul fragmentation. Split in our masculine and feminine energy, split in our mind, means our mind is in a stage of duality. Because of these split, our Merkabah field having a reverse spin. Our light body Merkabah field is going to be a reverse, means the upper Merkabah spin right now is in a anti-clockwise, and the lower feminine lower Merkabah spin, which is known as a female triangle, the feminine energy, the magnetic field, is also in a reverse direction. So the Merkabah field only have a power of manifestation. If your Merkabah field is in a reverse direction, because you have an inner split, everything is going to be, you are trying to manifesting is going to be reversed. For example, you are manifesting your twin flame union or the reunion, but it's going to be a reversed. It's creating the separation phase because your inner Merkabah field is separated. Your upper Merkabah field is not merging with the lower Merkabah field, means the both two triangle having a split. And the reason of this split is your own soul fragmentation, deep soul damage, or the separation is in your inner masculine and feminine energy. And just because of these reasons, when your Merkabah split, Merkabah field is in a reverse direction, and this reverse spin is manifesting in a 3D world. In your twin flame relationship, you are manifesting the reunion, but actually the separation is going to be manifested. For example, everyone wants a love, attention, care, priority. You want attention from your twin flame, but your twin flame start ignoring you. For example, you are sending a long messages, continuously calling him or her, but they are not responding, because you actually manifesting the reverse version of the reality. Everything you want is going to be a reverse. If you want a priority from your twin flame, they are just totally ignore you, or just see you as a choice or an option. If you want a commitment in your twin flame relationship, this your twin flame, it start running from you, or just doing a betray, or not ready to give you the commitment. If you want a priority from your twin flame is not giving you the priority, giving this priority to some other person, to their family members or the third party. So all these things are going to be happens because you have a reverse polarity, you have a reverse monad energy. The monad energy field is one of the most important thing in a twin flame soul journey. If you don't know about your monad self, if you are not connected with your own soul self, if you don't know about your soul self, you don't know about there is a fragment in your soul self, if you don't know about your monad self, if you are not connected with your own masculine and feminine energy, you are never going to be reunite with your twin flame. Because this reunion is not just a physical reunion, it's a reunion of your own self, the reunion of your own soul self. You must have to create the inner reunion with your own soul self, with your own monad self, your soul self, and the spirit self, because your soul is fragmented. You have to create the inner union of your masculine and feminine energy. This is the meaning of the reunion. The reunion is not just a physical reunion, you are living with your twin flame, married with your twin flame, and having a beautiful life with your twin flame. No, this reunion is a multi-dimensional reunion. It's a divine union. And this reunion is only happens when you created the inner union, when your inner masculine and feminine energy is reunited, when your brain left sphere and hemisphere is going to be reunited, when your Ingla Pingla Nadi is going to be reunited in a Sushmana center. That is a reunion, and this reunion is manifested in a 3D world. But if you are not correcting your Markhabic field, if you are just totally unaware about your Markhabic field, totally unaware about your monad self, not me. If you don't know about you have a monad self, if you don't know about your higher self, if you are not connected with your own soul self, you are not going to be connected with your twin self. Because everything you can see in your twin flame journey, just like most of the people are start complaining in a twin flame journey, my twin flame is a toxic, he or she is a asshole, or some spiritual teacher promoting the toxic twin flame culture. No, your twin flame is never going to be a toxic. Understand these things. Whatever you are seeing in his or her behavior, you are manifesting all these things. This is not going to be automatically manifestation. You are manifesting this reality because your Markhabic field having a reverse spin. And this reverse spin manifesting in a 3D world. Understand this thing. You want a commitment, but it's going to be a reverse. Your twin flame is not loyal with you. You want a priority, but he or she start a gaslight or totally ignore you, because you have a reverse polarity. You have a reverse Markhabic spin. Your own Markhabic field is spinning in a reverse direction. And because of this reverse direction, everything you want with your lover, with your twin flame, is going to be a reverse, because your twin flame is only catching the energetic signals. You and your twin flame having a multi-dimensional connection, the deepest level of soul connection. But your twin flame only catches the energy, what energy you are sending to him or her. This your twin flame only catches the energy field, not catching what you are trying to do in this 3D human self. Not catching this. Your twin flame only catching the energies. And this energy is automatically coming from your own Markhabic field. So if you are not connected with your own monad self, don't know about your Merkabik spin, you don't know about your gender Merkabik spin, you never going to be a reunite with your twin flame, because whatever behavior, whatever type of toxic behavior he or she doing with you, you are the person who actually creating this reality, and you are totally unaware about this reality. So correction with your Merkabik field is the most important thing in a twin flame journey. This is a main reason of separation. This is a main reason of all this disillusion in a twin flame journey. Most of the twin flame seekers or the twin flame couple are totally unaware about this light body anatomy, totally unaware about their own monad self, and start blaming each other. Start criticizing the twin flame divine relationship, start criticizing their own twin flame, because if you are seeing the twin flame relationship in a 3D perspective only, you are just going to be hurt and hurt and hurt. If you are not seeing your twin flame relationship in a deepest spiritual level, not seeing the things with your third eye chakra, you are going to damage your relationship. Because this relationship is not what you see with your two eyes or listening with your two ears. This is one of the most deepest and powerful relationship. You and your twin flame are a one soul into a two different body. So your Merkabik field is very, very important in this twin flame journey. And the purpose of this twin flame journey is reunion. Not just a reunion with your twin flame in this 3D self. It's a reunion with your own soul self. It's a reunion with your own masculine and feminine energy. It's a reunion with your own divine father, divine mother, and the holy child you. It's a trinity consciousness, because this reunion is a multi-dimensional reunion, not just a physical reunion. So any spiritual teacher or the twin flame consultant start teaching you the meditation technique of reunion without telling you the correction in your Merkabik field, without telling you the correction in your reverse monad field, that spiritual teacher or the twin flame consultant makes you a fool. Because the most important thing for your reunion is the correction of your Merkabik field and resolve the energy of the reverse monad self. Because this monad self is manifesting in this 3D world, and your own desires is going to be reversed, and you cannot understand these things. If you don't understand these things in a deeper spiritual perspective, you are start blaming your twin flame, and it's creating a anger, regret, guilt, pain issues in this relationship. This is a very heavy negative emotions in your twin flame journey. And most of the people or most of the twin flame, there is a 95% twin flame seekers are totally unaware about this Merkabik field or the reverse monad energy. So they are totally unaware, and this unawareness, the dark forces taking the advantage of this unawareness, they are creating the disillusion, they are creating the deceptions in your mind, they are creating the deception in your twin flame mind, they are doing black magic spells, or the negative aliens are doing a alien using their beast alien machineries, or the specially the ancestor powers creating the evil marriage and the karmic marriage in your twin flame journey. That marriages are not allotted by the divine, that marriages is against the divine order, against the God order. They are creating the karmic marriage or the evil marriage of you or your twin flame, to stealing your light codes, to stealing your DNA light codes, to stealing your glorious destiny. Because in your destiny you are married with your twin flame and having a golden child with your twin flame, but they are stealing your that destiny and taking the complete advantage of this reverse polarity, of this reverse monad energy, and you are just blaming your twin flame, saying this person is not good for you, this person is a asshole, or this person doing a betray, running from you, totally ignore, treating you a doormat, but totally unaware. You are manifesting this reality. You are unaware about your monad self. You just totally unaware about your Markhabic field, and you are the only person who are creating this reality, and you just don't know about this reality. So the twin flame journey is all about the inner union. It's all about the deep inner work on your 12th chakra system, work on your Kundalini ascension journey, and do correction in your Markhabic field. The most important thing is a healing. Heal your deepest soul wounds, the wounds in your emotional body, wounds in your mental body, heals your Nadi Tantra. Then you are able to reunite your inner masculine and feminine energy. Then you able to reunite your Ingla Pingla Nadi, which is merging in a Sushmana center. That is the most important thing in a twin flame journey. So do complete focus in your spiritual world. Focus in your inner self, not to focus in an external world, not to focus in your twin flame 3D human self, because in his human self of your twin flame, your twin flame is always doing mistakes, lots of mistakes, and these mistakes are happens because all your reverse monad energy. So understand this relationship in a deepest spiritual level. If you want to reunite with your twin flame, create the inner union of your masculine and feminine energy, inner union of your soul self, spirit self, and the monad self. So this is my video on a twin flame reverse monad energy. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel. And if you interested in a private reading, please contact me for the private readings. And you can purchase my book on Amazon Kindle. And if you want to see this video in a Hindi, you can subscribe to my Hindi channel. And if you like my teaching video, you can be the member of my channel or support me on a Patreon. So thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. Bye, take care.